Every day, every single day, I get emails, I get text messages, I get private messages with people going, where the hell is my 2022 Sea-Doo? Where the hell is my 2022 Yamaha? Where the hell is my 2022 Kawasaki? Why is the dealer overcharging me another $5,000? Why are my parts back ordered? Where is this stuff? You're not paying attention. You're not paying attention. So it came out Friday afternoon. General Motors announced that this year alone, they have had 97,000 cars parked in warehouses because of missing parts. 97,000 cars could not be sold to the public because they were incomplete, waiting for parts. I do not have the number of Sea-Doo Watercraft and Sea-Doo switches that are waiting for parts. What we do have, we have announcements from Kawasaki and we have announcements from Yamaha in regards to reducing production. Okay. They had Kawasaki effectively killed by 90% or higher production of the stand-up SXR 160 and the Ultra LX. They just basically killed 90% of the production. They reduced production of the STXs. They put all their focus on the 310s because it was a new model. And those 310s that came out for 2022, they were supposed to come out in 2021. They were supposed to come out last year. They simply didn't have enough parts to produce even the amount of vehicles that they put out this year. That's how tight things are for Cowie. I don't blame Cowie. I'm wearing their shirt. All right. I don't blame Kawasaki. I don't blame Yamaha. Yamaha's doing their damnedest. All right. Yamaha got hit like a freight train in 2020 when they couldn't get any products. They couldn't get any products to finish their vehicles. I had a photograph that I was told not to share of a warehouse, bumper to bumper. Bumper to bumper. Yeah. Bow to stern with ski boats waiting for parts. Millions of dollars worth of boats sitting there. They couldn't sell them because they were waiting for parts. Sea-Doo was like, well, hell, let's just get them out there and basically have them sit at dealer storage yards, and then we'll just send them the parts, and they can finish the skis and send them out. That was the plan. And I've done videos on that. I've worn it out. You guys don't need to ask me about that one again. Now, the difference is that they're not doing that with switches because the switch takes up so much more room. So all these guys who call me up going, I'm so sick and tired of waiting for my Fish Pro. Oh, I'm so mad. They're mad because they don't understand what the hell's going on. You can't squeeze any more blood out of that stone. Okay? The manufacturer is going to get that ski out to the dealer as fast as humanly possible. And that is taking far longer than you have patience for. I get it. I understand. All right. But here's the other kicker. The price of that ski has gone up, but they legally cannot change the MSRP. They cannot change the MSRP that has been announced at the beginning of the sales year. So what do? Even though the cost has gone up, the manufacturer is not going to eat that cost. And he can't expect the dealer to eat that whole cost. So guess who's going to eat that cost? That's your extra tacked on $4,000, $5,000 that you're going to eat. It comes up as shipping charges, serving charges, preparation charge. Come up with another name for it. So a lot of guys who've reached out to me and they've asked me and they're like, what do I do? And I'm like, listen, do you have to have it? Is your life incomplete without this new Watercraft? If it is, and you have a big hole in your soul without this brand new 2022 ski, then wait. But for most people, they're going to be like, well, this is supposed to be a fun toy for the summer for the family, but holy crap, I've been waiting 3 months, and they keep telling me, they keep lying to me that it's going to be May. Oh, then it's going to be June, and then it's going to be July, and then it's going to be August. They don't know. The dealers don't know, dude. They're just trying to get by. They're trying to get by. Now, is this Kevin making all sorts of apologies for the manufacturers? No. Okay. But I'm telling you right now, I know what's happening. And a lot of you guys turn to me and go, tell us what's happening, Kevin. I go, I'll tell you what's happening. They're pulling their hair out in large, hairy clumps. And they're freaking out. They're sitting there just going, crank them out as fast as you can. And that's what they're trying to do. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.